Hey friends, welcome to the Freestyle Connection BMX Stunt Team how-to YouTube channel. Today we're going to demonstrate an awesome trick, maybe the most ultimate show-off trick of all time, the full surfer. Alright, the cool thing about this trick is it's a great show-off trick. Whenever there's a crowd of people, you're cruising the beach, I don't care where you are, if you bust out a full surfer, you're going to turn heads. And the other cool thing about this trick is you really don't need a whole lot of typical BMX skill. As long as you have some athleticism and some balance, you could probably go out and learn this trick if you've never ridden a BMX bike before today. Key is, you're going to be riding your bike at a slow to medium speed. It's also a cheater way, and this may be a good thing to try before you go for the full surfer. Basically, I put one foot on the top tube, one foot on the handlebars. One foot on the seat, one foot on the handlebars. You want to spread your weight evenly across both wheels, and you do want enough weight on your handlebars so when you turn your foot you can steer. Essentially, you slowly get up and you just try to get your balance. Don't let go of the handlebars until you feel like you're comfortable, and you can do it very slowly.
Okay folks, as you can see, I start on the rear pegs. I put one foot up on the seat, and I take my other foot and set it up on the crossbar of the handlebars. Then I just try to get situated, get balanced, and then very slowly take my hands off the grips, and as I feel comfortable, I'll stand up. No hurry. And that's all there is to it. If you're sketched out, you can always jump off.
Thanks again, folks, for tuning in to our YouTube channel. That's the full surfer. This is a great trick. You'll find once you learn this, you use this all the time. Fantastic for shows. People are always impressed, and it's a great way to show off. And really, that's what it's all about, right? Thanks again. Talk to you next time. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.